Put your full first name and last name in. So let's go for Chris Smith. So we'll go next. And we're about to go into a live European session. So today Shane is the moderator. So this is what it looks like. So at the moment when you enter the room, when you first enter the room, you get given the announcements. If you're a little bit late, like
so
this.
For us at this stage, we have...
There's Shane talking. I'll just turn him down a touch for now. And you can hear, I'll just bump him up a little bit so you can hear what he's saying. This is what will happen. This is the moderator talking.
Setup, so we'll mark that on the chart. So that's one to watch.
So that person talking is the moderator. I've just turned it off for a second. Now, the few key things here. On the left is the people that are in the room. And the ones in red are the moderators or the coaches. So they're the guys that are answering your questions, and we're seeing their charts. So at the moment we're seeing Shane Fry's chart, and to look at it in full view we go fit to screen, press on that. There's the last announcement. So we've got a pending trade here which is a long pound yen trade, and the entry is 141.18. Now that's a fresh setup. That means the directional has turned. These are all rules of the gold package system. So the pound yen is here. So we need the market to go through this green cross. We're just about to trigger. So we've also got a pending euro yen long, which is 122.67. So that is here. So we're almost ready to trigger here. So I'll just cross that out, and we'll just watch this in real time with Shane's voice. And while we're doing that, I'll just explain this. Before we do that, I'll just explain this. Down the bottom here is where you can type your messages. So you can type in here anything you like. So when you type in the message, so that's a test message, then you press enter. So we'll just say, is the GB pound grade pound live yet? I know it's not live, but this is what you can say. So the pound yen won't be live until it enters these green crosses, but that's the questions you can ask. You hit enter and it goes in there. So
it'll still be going well after the room closed.
So this is the question we asked.
No trade live yet. So the pound yen has just triggered, I think. Let's have a look here. Yes, it has, sorry. So let's bring that chart into the room. Okay, so let's have a look here. Trade is hit. So we do have a live setup, a live trade. So let's convert that to live.
Okay, so now that's a live trade. So this is how we watch.
140.80 and our target is 141.46.
So once the trade goes live,
just put that information in as well.
The information goes in the box. So that's where you'll see it. The box will show in a minute.
140.80 and our target on that trade is 141.46. Now the thing with this trade is that we're looking for...
Okay, now the moderator has just put up, it's a live trade now. So before it was pending, so that's the first announcement. Now this is the long trade and now it's live. So that's the live trade on screen here now. And our target is up there. We've always got our target up there and our stop down the bottom. So the green cross is the entry. It's now live. So we come up in a sort of bigger text there so we know it's live. And we can just cross that out once we've had enough, and we just press the cross out once we've got our entry and exits in our platform, our stops and our entries and our targets. So a few different things about this room. If you want to look at the charts a bit bigger, you press on this arrow here and that gets rid of the chat box and that'll go bigger so you can see it in real time. And if you don't want to fit it to the screen, you press that and then it just goes to, and you can move it with the cursor here. So if we go fit to screen and we want to see the text so we can write messages and see the announcements where you write in this box. Apart from that, you've got the mute button over here with the volume, and that's about it at this stage. That's how you do the live trading room. So if you've got any questions, please email info@globalmarkettrader.com and we can answer those questions for you. But for now, thanks for listening.